Manufacturing and sales of textiles are global activities that have a major impact on our planet. The environmental impact arises throughout the manufacturing chain, from raw materials to finished product. This is the case for both the fashion industry and manufacturing of workwear. Our goal is to lead the workwear industry when it comes to sustainability and inspire others to follow suit. As a result, we are the first in the world to introduce a new standard for measuring the total environmental impact of a garment, from choice of material to delivery of the finished garment. Based on these measured values, an EPD, Environmental Product Declaration, is produced. Systems like this are already used within other product areas, but Fristads were the first to implement it for clothing. Our objective was to create a long-term, sustainable and transparent measuring tool for environmental impact, a standard that can be used throughout the textile industry. As part of this initiative, we launched Fristads Green, a concept where the entire manufacturing chain is permeated by environmental thinking and innovative solutions to ensure minimum impact on the environment. First up was a collection for craftsmen. The garments are specifically designed employing advanced folding that reduces sewing time and avoids unnecessary waste. They have a clear-cut design involving minimal details and smart solutions, which saves energy in production and facilitates recycling of the material. In order to avoid the use of plastic bags, garments are efficiently folded using a special folding technique. This also means they take up less space, so we can make optimum use of transport capacity. All transport is by sea and road, which has significantly less environmental impact than air transport. Our craftsman garments have been followed by collections within Fristads' other product areas. We want to be able to offer options for everyone who wants to make environmentally smart choices. We want to challenge ourselves, and we hope to find innovative new solutions and materials that can be used throughout our production process. By developing an EPD, a standardized measuring tool that the whole industry can use, we want to play our part and contribute to positive change and greater transparency when it comes to environmental impact.